basically you're going to fry it, but you don't want to burn the oil, so keep it down to about 3/4. The best results, I prefer to use extra virgin olive oil. So basically place them in like this, don't throw them in, and typically I add a lid right now because these things spit a lot of stuff off them. So basically let them kind of like warm the pan, get them nice and cool, and I like to grease them right now, just like and typically I would move these things over. You can use either tongs or spatula. I find the results are the same. I prefer to use a spatula myself personally. And when you see it like this, when they're starting to blister and burn, that's perfect. Put the lid on, and I just kind of like keep on putting on the lid, either turning them like this or actually just kind of like let's say justling the pan. And now I'm seeing if they're soft or not. I'm not like plastering them down, but you kind of want to keep these things like turned and just keep on tossing them under the lid. As we can see here, they are now pretty much bloated, but once they start to feel soft, then pretty much you're all there. I prefer them that they're actually like a little bit greasy. You can like pat them down, but you find that some of the flavour goes. These things don't have a huge amount of flavour. You can serve them up in a nice tapa dish. Typically you can find these in like in any supermarket. They have like cheese in it typically, but these things are just like brilliant to use, really Mediterranean. As you can see now, they are now like deflating. I would use like Maldon Salt or something like that, which is quite easy to absorb, and that's pretty much it. And these things are looking pretty tasty. It's all ready to serve. So bon appetit, and like and subscribe.